Hello, hello. Today I'm making a huge meal for my friends. So I come here in Minnesota again, 7 dishes, 2 I already prepared. So totally 9.
Beautiful.
All over the place. A lot of Chinese friends. There are friends from all different countries. Also, today I have a friend. I met a master chef, season 10. She said she'll be here very soon. We have this huge ribs. Of course, again in Costco. If you don't know, Costco, it's like my second Asian market. Don't be surprised you see a lot of Asian mom there. We like a good deal. 17-year-old pickle jar. I brought all the way here from Orlando. So I brought the pickle brine here. If my pickle jar died in Orlando, I have a backup, right? A pickle jar in Orlando, I'm watching through the Ring camera, monitoring. If there's a problem, I call my neighbor, rescue the jar. Hi, Sherry, how are you? Oh, good, good to see you. Oh, so long, it's been so long.
I know, it's been too long.
So here, look at these crazy stuff I got here. So have you cooked like Chinese food?
No. I'm gonna learn today.
Oh, good. I might need the apron because cook so much today. So the first dish we're gonna cook is this cold dish. It's a vegetable with shrimp. And my favorite vegetable, actually originally from China, it's called celtus. We usually eat the stem, just that. I have friends come, a couple of them never had a Chinese food. They told me Panda Express is good.
No.
One of the parents, yeah. So let's see, should be shocked. Wash all the vegetable. Here, another vegetable, a lotus root. Chinese mom's cleaver here. You can see this is one tool you can just use in the kitchen for everything. This only boil in the water for like 2 minutes. It's quick too. Shrimp will be about 3 minutes. Spicy chili peppers. If you're chopping any spicy peppers, put the gloves on. So when you boil the shrimp, I like to add some ginger and the green onions. Yeah, we just mix all the vegetable. Yeah, down pan, tiny like a mini lime. I add in the cold dish, so some flavor and looks nice. So let's make a sauce. We're gonna get this done. Ginger and garlic in here. Measure is Chinese eyeballs. Ingredients list down below. You can check all the how much you measure if you don't have Chinese eyeballs, Chinese dish. Yeah. This soy sauce has a lot of flavor, a little bit sweet, not totally just salty. Also, I'll add a little bit dark soy sauce in here, just adds a little color. Yes. Also, vinegar, Chinese vinegar, not even open. Measuring now. For me, I add always a little more because I love it a little more sour taste.
Yeah, a little tang.
Oyster sauce. So for this dish, you can do it totally vegan, just vegetable, and you can buy the vegan oyster sauce in the Asian market. Some sugar to balance the taste. Little chicken powder add some chicken flavor actually in here. So here we add Costco water. Probably tastes good.
The best stuff.
Costco water, and we have a vegetable stock, even better, right?
Yeah. And that has the shrimp flavor in it too. Maybe spicy.
Spicy, look at that.
And you have green onions in there too.
Yeah, green onions. And this dish even tastes better later because we're gonna soak in here for a couple hours or more. Sprinkle some on, the dry ones. Sichuan peppercorns is like my favorite ingredient. Some hot oil on your cold dish, always. Oh, that. Again, here. Sprinkle some cilantro.
I think you can never have enough cilantro.
I know. So we're gonna sit this in the back, soak more flavor. So I'm gonna chop the ribs and boil. Chinese mom chopping. 40 minutes. Yeah, we take the foam out, then I turn it down to cook for another 30-40 minutes. It's ready. I take it out. Yeah. Or even a stir fry, I use the broth. The wok is not hot enough. This is what you see, foamy thing there. But it's fine. Chicken actually tastes good.
Yeah.
Hot wok, just cold oil. We're gonna stir fry some ribs.
You can see how hot it is too. The oil is just dancing.
Yeah, otherwise this would be foam. You know? Ready to put ribs in here. Careful, I'm gonna splatter on you. Get a little brown outside the ribs. So much ribs, I have another batch.
I think you probably do have 2 there.
Yeah, container. Then get rid of some more oil and then start making a sweet and sour sauce. I use this rock sugar, but you can use regular sugar, but probably the same taste. Just like you're making a little caramel.
You're getting a nice caramel now.
So when you're getting this nice caramel, you dump the ribs back in. It's fine, so the sugar is still gonna cook a little bit more. Coated the ribs with caramel color here. And then you got, of course, sweet taste from that.
Yeah.
So this is just a regular soy sauce. So dark soy sauce, add some color. Both soy sauce in here, sour taste from the vinegar. Soup where you boil the ribs. So you kind of cook the sauce down, a little thicker, and it'll be done. So taste the sauce now. Here. So you can use the sauce to put on your rice. Sour enough or no?
Oh my God, it's so good. Beautiful.
Mapo豆腐, or English called Mapo Tofu. I use the firm tofu, otherwise the soft one, they just fall apart for this dish.
Yeah.
Wouldn't keep the shape. But they definitely keep the shape, everything better if you just boil in the hot water for a minute. Also, some people don't like the tofu
That's kind
that
of
smell.
in the juice.
Yeah, in the
That's
juice, so you kind of clean it. This one is use beef, which is actually traditional meat using this dish. Oh, this is if you make a vegan one. I will, instead of beef, you can use a vegan burger, or you just chop some shiitake mushroom, different mushrooms.
Oh, that's so smart.
Yeah, so instead of meat, do some chopped mushrooms in here.
Yeah, that's so smart.
For a vegan version, because mushroom really adds a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Now you see the beef is pretty dry, and I'm gonna put this Sichuan brine paste, and I mix them together. Chopped ginger, some garlic, and this black beans. So those black beans are fermented soybeans.
Okay.
So it's kind of salty, adds a really good flavor. Pretty salty if you just taste it. Yeah. Prepare some more dry chili pepper. That's spicy.
Yeah.
This is Sichuan peppercorn powder. Oh, fry the spice in the oil, then I mix the beef with this.
And mix it all together.
Mix it together. Also, make it more spicy, add some my pickled pepper. Add a few, don't add too much. Soy sauce. Since we're gonna add a soup, we have the bone soup, so save it for cooking.
Yes.
Some soy sauce. A little bit sugar to balance the taste. Soup, I boil the ribs, so perfect. Or you make the vegan one, right?
Yeah.
Add that vegetable soup, stock.
And this will just add extra flavor too, which is really nice.
Because it's a lot of tofu. I usually cook 1/3 of this for dinner.
Got a lot of people coming.
Yeah. So we're gonna cook it probably around 5 minutes. The sauce will cook down.
I'm gonna get the rest of this chicken tossed in. Let's get this cooked up for you.
So here, the tofu is basically ready. We just need to cook another couple minutes with the Chinese special chives. Adds even more flavor in here.
Yeah, lots of good flavor.
And this is like another vegetable you can have your kids eat. Here, ready to serve. Before we serve, just some more peppercorn powder, since people from Sichuan love the peppercorn. This is so much chicken because we have 30 people. Usually I made just probably 1 pound of chicken. So I marinated just with cooking wine, no breading or anything, and some white pepper, salt. So you marinated this on the side, 15-20 minutes. Oh, some ginger in the chicken. So got some of that ginger flavor marinating here. So I usually do this twice, so I get a little crunchy, crispier outside, yeah.
And it cooks really fast.
Yeah, cook really fast.
And this is thigh meat?
This is chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh. So I use boneless because in here, a lot of people don't want to eat bones. So in China, original dish, we chop up the whole chicken with bones.
Yep.
I think it's more fun.
You get more flavor.
Yeah. Yeah, I need some garlic. So get a little crispier texture. Putting this back in for a minute, not long. Starting to golden. Take the chicken out because I use the wok to make the spicy sauce. Garlic first. All prepared. Ginger here. Sichuan brine paste in a lot of Sichuan cooking.
Oh my gosh, a handful?
Oh, more! Look.
Wow. You know what we say here in Minnesota?
Yeah.
For that? Poofda.
What's that?
Poofda.
Oofda. After you got the spice, a little fragrant, then we toss the chicken back in. Chicken, add chicken powder, you know, more flavor. Ooh. So before I take this out, I drop some green onions in. So let's taste this, right? I know it's hot. I always taste the food when it's so hot. Almost burnt.
I can already tell you it's spicy.
Yeah, too spicy for you? No, it's not, right? Looks like it. Hope people won't be crying eating this dish. This is on my cover of the cookbook.
It's been better in person.
So this dish is called 酸菜鱼, sour pickle with fish, little fish soup. So I'm taking some of that out. Here, I pickle some beans. So those beans, every time I'm taking out the pickle jar, my kids just come over, eat this right out of the jar. So these are long beans. They were pretty green, but now it's a pickle color. So here's the fish. I slice in the thin pieces with a cleaver, slicing. Those are tilapia from Costco, again. Here are the Chinese cooking wine. Actually, this dish, I don't have beer right now. You can use beer.
Okay.
Gives a really nice flavor. I marinated probably like 20 minutes on the side.
Okay.
In China, we believe the fish is a little fishy flavor. Some people don't like it. This ginger and all these cooking wine gonna get rid of the help us smell of the fish.
Oh, sure.
Little chicken powder. Secret, secret, secret. So I usually mix it first before I add cornstarch. Actually, cornstarch is so popular here. Actually, in China, we use bean starch.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. If sometimes you add too much corn starch, that the fish soup is too thick, you know? I still like a little bit clear soup.
Sure.
Yeah. Also, you can get those pickled, the tiny little pepper. This is pickled.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add
too?
Spicy. Yeah. Garlic, green onions, right? Ginger always first. It's a pickled pepper. Kind of stir fry the ingredients to get this, I think, fragrance out. My pickles, your favorite beans in here.
Yes, they're so good.
This dish really has really pickle flavor. The pickle soup. Sichuan peppercorns again, you see? But most of the time, people just use water. They don't have a stock.
Yeah.
But this is just gonna add a lot more flavor.
Oh, yeah.
So that's boiling, then we can get the fish jumping here. I can just use hands, you know. Get it fast. People are coming. Like everything is designed for eating rice in China. Like.
Well, also the rice will kind of cool your mouth a bit too.
Oh
yeah. It's a little too spicy.
So spicy, you just keep eating rice. The stew I made on last night, you know, the stew tastes better next day.
It
so
really does.
Yeah, I have to make it last night with radish. So this recipe is in my cookbook too. Easy. Link down below, get the book.
You definitely need the book. There's so much in there to help you shop at the Asian market too.
Oh, hi, come in. So I use beef brisket, still from Costco. Here's about 6 pounds of beef. Also the radish, I use the daikon radish, the big one. Is it called daikon too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, let me pour the sauce.
Yep, pour the rest of it.
This will be good. On top, I love cilantro.
Me too.
Especially with beef, right? Okay, people are already here. We kind of setting up here. Hopefully not too late. People don't want to wait to eat. Beef stew, and we have shrimp with vegetable cold dish, sweet and sour ribs, fish soup here, and spicy chicken and tofu. Pig ears, and this is pork. And egg, this is all like a rib braised dish, you know, good. One little special in the end. Oh, you should try on the camera. Let's see Sherry eat. Do the pig ears. Try first time for Sherry. Let's try. Cheers. Cheers. Crunchy, so crunchy. What do you think? Really? Hello, hello. This one is for you.